Now welcome back to Onif TV. We still on the issue of Sunday Igboho. One of the man we say in they use local bulletproof. I tell you now local bulletproof the man they use. You know that local bulletproof say they shoot like 10. You know we enter at all. You know say of recent some unknown government say they wear army uniform. They attack in house. Then spoil all a car. Then call they carry money almost 2 million naira cash. Then carry and go. Then keep people inside a house, they blow everywhere, then choke everywhere, then they scatter everywhere, everyone become party scatter. How for instance now, DSS come confirm say now them be the unknown government say they attack. So they go house for midnight for 2 a.m. We say everywhere they don't silence. It doesn't that them be the unknown government we say they attack. So they go say they kill people for in house. And so they ask. They say, okay, what's in happen? Why they attack? So they say, talk say, Sunday Igboho and the people say, then they face them with guns. They say, now in between battle duel, gun duel. Later say that they exchange bullets. So that's when those people say die. That's when they die. People call they ask Sunday Igboho say, where Sunday Igboho did that time? Where DSS calling house? Where he did? How it take happen? In fact. DSS, they reach one stage, DSS see one cat for in house, so they think say Sunday Igboho come turn to cats, so they carry the cat to go. But last, we later see Sunday Igboho. They call they ask them, okay, where you dey when DSS attack your house? You know, one year wetin Sunday Igboho talk. In case you never hear wetin he talk, hey, this thing shock me. I bet more hear wetin Sunday Igboho talk on top this issue. We hear am.
So around 1:30 I just hear place. Spray blade in the front, gunshot in front of my house. Papa. Sunday Igboho come out. We are DSS, we are soldier, we are do this. So and now I peeped through in the window. I saw them with uniform, DSS uniform and soldier, Nigerian army. So I was I was surprised that what is problem? Because I never kill anybody, I never fight with anybody. What I'm doing is to fight for my people. Then all the rally.
I don't hear everything he talk. He talk say in the house when those people attack. So how it take happen? We know they come bless this man, come grace one leg up. He can't they don't see him. Remember something you say they don't kidnap his wife before, but now they don't release his wife. When they talk say he don't cancel the Lagos rally, we say it's supposed to happen. So they don't release his wife. But DSS don't declare Sunday Igboho wanted. Say Sunday Igboho don't become criminal. Because they ask, okay, why you declare Sunday Igboho criminal wanted? They talk say they see live ammunition for in house. They see different guns for in house. They see bullets, we say plenty for in house. They see bomb for in house. They see everything for in house. I say, well, we say, in fact, Sheikh Shekau said, don't forget all this kind of going, we say they see for in house. It also say they see money, we plenty for in house. They find everything for in house, so they don't declare him wanted. Say make Sunday Igboho make a con surrender himself gently, or they will do him by force. Now waiting DSS talk of na him be that. Sheikh go really talk for bandits, they don't declare them wanted for this country. No say now only this country. They talk say make we no call all these planning herdsmen terrorists. Only for this country we say one Sheikh go me for Kaduna, they talk say make we no call all these planning herdsmen, bandits say, make they call them our brother and sisters. Can't imagine that kind of thing. Imagine, it's that for this country. So they don't declare Sunday Igboho wanted now. So when they cannot arrested, Sunday Igboho declare wanted. So they talk say then go later last. Whether Sunday Igboho like or we don't like, say they go later shoot them down. Now what's they happen for this country? Now everything be that on top of the issue of Sunday Igboho. Now what's they happen? I be that. So DSS don't come say and them come attack in house. So you say they kill people for in house for 2 a.m. we say everybody sleep. Now make I see you in my next edition. Thank you.